Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching around the world. Welcome to a brand new episode from Just Another Sports Card Collector. And today we are back on the Topps 2025 Bowman Draft Megabox. It was a grand total of £45 from the Topps website. And in this box, if you hadn't seen the last video, you get it's kind of blocked there, 35 total cards, of which you get 5 base packs of the Bowman Draft standard packs, and then 2 exclusive Mega Refractor packs of the Bowman Draft. The hits or the traces that we are looking for is not on that side. It is top prospects of Eli Willits, Seth Hernandez. Luckily I have the other box that I just opened, Cade Anderson and Liam Doyle. So we got a couple of them in our Mega Refractor ones in the last video. If you haven't seen it, check it out. But anyway, if you enjoy these sorts of videos, you know what to do. Tap that like button, share and subscribe. You know, the usual begging that us YouTubers like to do. So, here we go. So we'll do what we did the last time, which is our exclusives at the bottom of each pile. Then we'll do 2 base packs and then 3 base packs, and then we'll take it from there. So we didn't get any autos in our last pack, or the last box should I say, but let's see what we get today. So we get Travis Bazana, great name there, surname there. Almost reminds me of Travis Pastrana. Aaron Watson, Franklin Arias. I've not had any Giants players actually. Then we have Elian Pena. And then Cameron Miller to end that pack. Sorry about the reflectiveness, it's the joys of the Chrome card. The shine and also the way my camera is positioned, you'll see it there. Hopefully it doesn't take away from your enjoyment of this unboxing video. We start with Caden Bodine, Cameron Nelson, Connor Griffin, Riley Kelly, and then we end with Jacob Reamer, but it is a laser card there, so that's a funky refractor as well, yeah, with the boxes. Cool looking card, we'll put that at the back there. Not that you can see most of it anyway, but moving on to our next, this is our refractor pack. So we tend to get 3 normal refractors and then a couple of inserts, but we start off with Josh Hammond, Ethan Petrie, Joseph Dysera, I think is how you pronounce his surname. Matt Bellew. It's just like a standard looking. I know it's under as a. Yeah, just a standard looking card there, sorry, it's just with the purple. And we end with a prize prospect of Jesus Maddy. Yeah, So we have got him in previous editions of Topps Baseball cards. So there he is in the Bowman draft. Back onto our base packs. We start off with Kason Witherspoon, Connor Essenberg. There we go, there's one of our chase ones, which is Seth Hernandez. Come to the box. Then we have JJ Weatherholt. And then we end this pack with a Cade Crossland. Moving on to our second, or fourth base pack. And we start off with Pico Cone, Jordan Yost, Luke Dickerson, Nayland Sailors, and then our last card is Brian Curley of the Diamondbacks. A CMC Sports Cards today, sprinkle some magic and see what we get in our last base pack. And we start off with Gabe Davis, Josh Hammond, Matthew Fisher, Brody Brett, and then we end with a Josh Owens there to end the box, or base cards, should we say. Then moving on to our Mega Refractor pack. Let's see if we can get any magic here. Dominic Reed there for the Cubs. And Antonio Jimenez of the Mets. Ty Harvey of Padres. Nate Snead there of the Angels. And our last card, nothing special there, is a Dean Moss of Tampa Bay. So there you go, a bit hit or miss. I know that there are autos that you can pull, but unfortunately in our two packs we did not. So the highlights of this pack was Prize Prospects of Jesus Maddie, and this sort of box laser style fractor of Jacob Reamer. As well as that, on the Chase Watch of cards, we got one which was a base of Seth Hernandez. So anyway, you can't win every time. I'll score this box if we have to do scores. 6 out of 10, standard fare. Anyway, so sorry about the disappointment on the unboxing there, but it's a true glimpse of how these sorts of things work. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video nevertheless. If you did, please like, share and subscribe, and check out my other videos. There are other baseball ones where I have pulled autos and numbered cards as well, so check those out. And thank you very much for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day, and goodbye for now. Goodbye.